Folks, we are back. Big Meat Run 2024 right here in Disney, Oklahoma. They got some knockout racing going on. It's Friday night, and they got a UTV class that's going to run 2 at a time, and they got bouncers to run. Bouncers, buggies, whatever. Full size. Impressive. Those two guys basically pulled the line and decided to break everything. I don't know why they're going way over there when the ledge right here is like 2 foot tall. That's going to be expensive. Yikes.
In the front, Levi.
Here it goes.
Sketchy. I don't know what they're doing right now, but it looks like they're running that one back.
Right here.
It was a little too much for the A-arm. Thanks.
To get it down and get it hopped up.
That was a rough one right there for the old Can-Am over there. Yeah, 900 with the wind coming back. Guess his A-arms are strong enough. The thing folded up like a tin can. All right, here we go. Full body versus tube chassis. This guy had 2 quick passes earlier in the tube chassis. Took the win. See if he can get it done this time. He's going up the hard line over here. I still don't know why no one's trying to go over here where it's 2 foot tall ledge. Weird. got a flip up windshield in my Razor. I'm probably gonna race it, knockout racing it. These guys fast? No. Not worth it, dude. Very lost.
What do you think?
You got a spare wheel and tire.
Somebody give me some time. When he make it back, he drove 35 miles to get here to put on a show for you.
Alright, got the unlimited guys up next. Looking pretty rowdy looking bouncers with some big old nasty tires. See what they can do. Am I the only person that looks at that right there and thinks, hit that as hard as you can, ramp up, just jump up there? That's what I would want to do.
As you can see, we are jumping into the unlimited class.
So I guess they're letting big buggies and Razor buggies run at the same time. That's be sketchy if I was in a Razor buggy.
Let's see what's going to happen right now.
A little 200 horsepower Razor just smoked a big buggy. Wow. Twin turbo buggy at that. Alright, comes down to Razor buggy versus big bouncer. I don't know what's going to do there. I think the Razor buggy might have it. They were neck and neck right there on the starting line. Razor buggy ain't used to that, so we'll see what happens. Well, he might need a belt if he wants to steer. Alright, this is the best 2 out of 3 format. So if the Razor wins this one, then they got to run it back one more time.
Time to take the win in the unlimited 3,
That's knockout racing for you. around here is just a run what you run class. Just big bouncer and a Razor sand car, Razor desert car. There's your winner right there. Raced 2 different classes, lost reverse in the transmission, and then on the final round, somehow lost everything in the transmission and got it pulled just enough to get down the hill and still take the win. All right, now we got 2 Jeep buggies coming up. It's a grudge match. If I remember anything, the white one was really fast last time, so if I'm gonna pick one, I'm going for it.